Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the 5-week rejection strategy. This is a technical price action approach that focuses on repeated long wicks forming at key levels in price, and it aims to spot potential reversal zones by reading how market repeatedly rejects certain prices. In this video, you will see how the 5-week sequence looks on the chart, how I break down the pattern step by step, and what practical pros and cons you need to keep in mind when using it. So first of all, I'd like to talk about how this strategy works out on the chart and what it implies. The first thing is to always mark out your trends and know who is in control of the market, whether it's the buyers or the sellers, and what are key levels price could react from. For example, we have this demand zone here. I like to make this bolder, taking this line. Okay, this is a demand zone, and price is expected to come in here and buy from here. So we use the 5-week sequence to confirm this demand zone, this key level. So on the chart, you can see that the strategy centers on a series of 5 consecutive candles, and the final candle shows a prominent wick that stands out relative to the previous 4. You can see this series of wicks. There are a series of wicks around here. We have the first one, the second, the third, and the fourth. These 4 candles all have wicks, and this is the 5th candle. So you can see, like to zoom into that a bit. Okay, you can see clearly now. These are the 4 candles and their wicks. The first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. And this is the 5th one with the longest wick, clearing out all this liquidity, tapping into the demand zone, into the support here. For traders who use support and resistance, we have the wick, the 5th wick, tapping into the support, and after that we have it closing. We have this large rejection, and then that candle closes well above it, and this is an indication that the market is changing hands from sellers to buyers. This long rejection here signals that buyers are entering into the market. So you see price test that level multiple times with wicks, but the 5th candle, the 5th wick, usually comes and clears the cluster of rejection at or around that same zone. Some traders may have been looking to take buy entries from here, from around here, from around this area here, but the 5th candle came and cleared out all of that before we had our buys. So this is exactly what you look out for. We also have I'd like to show you another example. We have another support here, continuation from this. Price has moved and broken structure, so we have a support here, have this support right here, and you can see that price has broken structure to the upside, so we are clearly bullish. And now we have price coming here, and we have all these wicks here. We have the first one, I like to count from here. I have the first one, the second one, the third one, and even this, all of these wicks around here. And this is the confirmation, the 5th candle, the 5-week rejection. So this is the 5th candle, and we have the wick come and clear out all of the previous 4 candles wicks and close well above that low. And after that, we have the price moving to the upside. We also have the same thing happening here. You can see this zone. There is quite a zone here, and for price to come into here, into this place, we have this 5th candle coming to clear out all of this, all of these wicks here. We have the 5th candle, which is this bullish candle, this green candle, come to clear out all of this before we have our bias to the upside. So it's straightforward. It's very straightforward. We have another one here. You can see this zone, and we have all of these wicks right here. We have all of these wicks here, 1, 2, 3, and this one comes, clears all of them out, taps into the zone, and moves to the upside. So it's very straightforward, but it's important that you use this in conjunction with the overall trend in the market. Is this strategy is for traders who prefer to read raw price action and want a structured way to interpret repeated weak behavior around support and resistance and other key zones and other key levels. It is a visual interpretive tool only. It doesn't execute trades. It can produce false or misleading impressions in choppy markets, of course, so you should keep that in mind, or in news-driven spikes. So I always stress combining with broader context and the broader market structure at the time. You can learn more about the 5-week rejection strategy using the link in the description below. It gives you a clearer way to focus on where price has tried and failed to break through multiple times using weak behavior as the main signal. If you enjoy price action trading built around candlestick structure, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on the notification for more trading tutorials. Until then, happy trading.